In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design gardens in Canva. If you've ever tried to plan a backyard, map out a vegetable garden, or create a landscape concept for a client, you already know how quickly things can start to feel messy. When elements are misaligned or the layout feels cramped, it becomes much harder to visualize the final result. The good news is that Canva gives you a simple way to build clean, attractive garden layouts without needing advanced design software. To begin, open Canva from the homepage and create a new design. One of the most important decisions at the start is choosing the right canvas size. A small square layout can feel limiting, especially when you're trying to show pathways, beds, seating areas, and borders all in one view. Click Create a Design, then search for Presentation 16 by 9 or Landscape, and choose the standard widescreen presentation size. This gives you a clear, spacious workspace that is much better for planning outdoor areas. Once your canvas is open, head over to the left sidebar and click Design or Templates. In the search bar, type in terms like garden design plan, landscape architecture layout, or backyard blueprint grid. This helps you find a ready-made structure that can serve as the foundation of your layout. Browse through the options and choose one that fits your style and the type of garden you want to present. Using a template here can save time and also help keep the design organized from the beginning. After that, start building out the hardscape elements. These are the permanent features of the garden, like fences, retaining walls, patios, and walkways. Go to Elements, open shapes, and drag rectangles or lines onto the canvas to mark these areas. As you place them, use natural-looking colors like gray, brown, or terracotta, so the map is easy to read at a glance. This step gives your design structure before you move on to plants. Next, add your plant layout and labels. In the Elements search bar, look for graphics such as top view trees, shrubs, or flower bed illustrations. Choose simple graphics and place them into the appropriate garden zones. Then go to Text, add text boxes, and label each area clearly. Keep your labels short so the layout stays neat and readable. A bold font can work well for major sections, while a clean, simple font is useful for naming specific plants. Finally, review the full design carefully. Make sure the spacing feels balanced, the labels match the plant symbols, and there are no leftover placeholders from the template. When everything looks right, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG if you want a crisp digital version, or PDF print if you plan to print it out and use it on site. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.